Welcome to World Time Quiz. Can you guess how have these animals evolved and adapted? In 5 seconds, let's get started. How do camels survive long without water? Store fat in their humps. Why do giraffes have long necks? To reach high leaves. How do penguins stay warm in freezing climates? Layers of fat, blubber. Why do chameleons change their skin color? To regulate body temperature. How do fish breathe underwater? By using gills. How have snakes adapted to swallow large prey? Flexible jaws. How do Arctic foxes survive extreme cold? Compact bodies reduce heat loss. Why do bats navigate using echolocation? To detect prey in the dark. How do cacti help desert animals survive? Store water in their stems. How have owls evolved for silent flight? Specially shaped wings. Why do polar bears have white fur? For better camouflage in snow. How have kangaroos adapted to move efficiently? Use their tails to balance. Why do elephants have large ears? To cool their bodies. How do woodpeckers avoid brain damage? Shock-absorbing skulls. How do desert lizards survive extreme heat? Big underground burrows. Why do whales have blowholes? To breathe while underwater. How do octopuses escape predators? Use ink clouds as distractions. How have frogs adapted to live in water? Grow webbed feet. Why do meerkats stand upright? To look out for predators. How do hedgehogs protect themselves from danger? Roll into a spiky ball. So how many of your answer are correct? Write in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.